How to fix YouTube dark mode not working on PC. So if you want to fix YouTube dark mode not working on your PC, then what you need to do is just simply go with your settings at first. Under your settings, go with personalization, which is right here. Go with colors, and here choose your mode, which is dark. Once you've selected your dark mode, now you just need to simply go back and now move on to the next solution. So open up your browser in which you are facing the problem. Go with the upper right, which has that three dots. Tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with customize your Chrome profile and make sure that you've selected the black theme, or just simply go with appearance, which is on the left side. And then scroll down, and here you may have black mode or black theme option. You just need to simply go with the mode and then go with dark. Once you've selected, now you need to open up your YouTube and go with the profile, which will be on the upper right, and go with settings, or just simply go with the appearance, which is right here. And under appearance, you need to select dark theme, and you will have your dark theme on your YouTube. If that doesn't fix your problem, then go with the upper right, which has that three dots again. Go with settings, go with privacy and security, and go with the site settings, or you will have an option of cookies and other site data. Just simply tap on third-party cookies and then block the third-party cookies. Once you've done that, you need to go with delete browsing data. Go with advanced and select the time range and go with delete data. And after that, you need to refresh and go with your YouTube, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.